Mediumship, forging by fire. In realms unseen where spirits play, mediumship's art finds its way. A practice forged in fires bright, like swords of old in the blacksmith's light. Folded steel 1,000 times, impurities burned like distant chimes. Through trials and flames the ego molds, as secrets of spirit slowly unfolds. Like a samurai sword, honed, keen and true, mediums refine as insights they construe. Ego's crucible, a blazing pyre, transcending self, reaching higher. Whispers of spirits in twilight's grace, revealing glimpses of another space. In harmony with energies, messages flow, dancing in realms where mysteries grow. With every connection, a piece of the whole, a symphony of spirits, heart and soul. Mediumship's fire, a forge of the mind, a sacred path in harmony with love divine. So let the flames of insight burn, as mediums with spirit tendrils churn, forging ego's path through shadows and light, in the mystical realms where day turns to night.